Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah Corn, and in today's video we are going to be doing another AmiAmi unboxing. Right, so I'm just going to get into it. I only got two things in this one, so it'll be kind of like a short, chill unboxing. The main item that I got from this order was from the pre-owned section on AmiAmi. I kind of got it on a whim. It's something that I have been looking for so long as I saw it in a decent price, and this was at a very decent price, if I do say so myself. So, now that we got it open, I can already see the piece that I've been waiting for here. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys the small item first, so we don't spoil the big item right off the bat entirely. I did give you a bit of a sneak peek. So this item here is just a little acrylic standee. Of Mia from Skate the Infinity. So this little guy here was 1,080 yen. This is the Mia Skate the Infinity acrylic standee. They had a bunch on there. A lot of the characters were sold out, and Mia happens to be one of my best friend's favorites from the show, so I decided to pick this up for her, so I won't be opening it. I just thought I'd show you guys anyways since I was doing the unboxing. So next up here is this bad boy. So here with me I have the Deadmaster Black Rock Shooter Nendoroid. So they did come out with another version of Deadmaster from this with like her veil situation, but this is just the standard. This originally came out in 2010, so this is quite an old Nendoroid, but when I saw her up there, I'm a fan of Black Rock Shooter, and I have always loved Deadmaster's character design. She looks so cool. And when I saw her on AmiAmi Pre-owned for only 1,980 yen, I had to get her. Like, she is in B condition and the box is also in B condition. And for like 1,980 yen, which is like 22.44 Canadian, that's a steal. That's like amazing. So I know I'm new to Nendoroids, but like this is a super good price for a Nendoroid. A lot of the ones on AmiAmi Pre-owned you'll see will go up in value even when they are super old. So I was really happy to get such a cool one for such a fair price. With that, we're gonna get on into the close-ups in just a second here. Alright, so first up here we have the AmiAmi card for this month. It was at the bottom of the box there, and I forgot to show it earlier. Alright guys, so here we have the Deadmaster Nendoroid. Let's start opening her up. So firstly, this is in B condition, so it has been opened before. They just resealed the tape there. Alright, so we'll just set the box off to the side there. It did just come with this little sheet of instructions. This Nendoroid is by Good Smile Company. Alright, so first up, I'm just taking out her base at the bottom here. It's just been taped in that little square there. I do like how they kept the checkerboard base for her. That's very accurate to Black Rock Shooter. So around the sides here there are little bits of tape, so I'm gonna have to cut those. first up here, we'll start with this faceplate on the far right. I personally love this faceplate. I think it's adorable. This is one of the reasons why I got it. It's just her with her tongue sticking out there. I think it's super cute. Next up we have this faceplate where she's just smiling slightly. And then we have this super cute faceplate too. This one, they have a matching one for the Blackrock shooter character as well. So if I ever get that one, I'm definitely going to pose these two together using these faceplates. I think they're super cute. So here we have her. The horn did come out during shipping. That's not a big problem though. She is super cute. I love this Nendoroid already, and for a very old Nendoroid, she has held up very well. Then we have her little skull accessories. Got two of those. So here we have her weapon, her scythe here. Super cool. Then all that's left here is just her wing accessories, which are these guys right here. They kind of go on her back, as seen in that photo there. You can just see them poking out here. And then all the rest are just extra arm and leg pieces. So I'll take those out afterwards. I don't think you guys need to see me pull these out one by one. So with that said, we're just going to get on straight into posing. Alright, so first off, we've replicated this one here with her tongue sticking out, as it is one of my favorites. So here she is. I think that this pose is absolutely adorable. I love her tongue sticking out. It is so cute. I will say that putting together this Nendoroid in comparison to like the newer ones, like for example the Megumi or Nobara Jujutsu Kaisen Nendoroids, this one is a bit more difficult. This is obviously one of the older models. This Nendoroid came out in 2010, so it makes a little sense that it would be a little bit more difficult. But what I really like about this Nendoroid is they really made the base interesting. I love the checkered tile. Alright, so next pose we are going to be doing is this one right here with her scythe. Alright, so here we have her with her scythe there. This pose is very cute. It was very difficult to set up this pose though, because trying to put her stand there, back there, and push her onto it without disrupting the side of the front is kind of difficult, because I definitely need to keep it in this hand before, you know, putting on the hair and everything. So that was a bit of a challenge, but she looks great right now. Alright guys, so here she is in the pose with her scythe. I really love this pose. I think it is so cool. Classic Deadmaster here. Alright guys, so the very next pose that we're going to be doing is this one right here with her skulls and her leg up with the scythe. This one is a super cool and super involved pose. Alright, so here we have her. This one did take me some time to set up. It is a little bit difficult to stick the skulls onto these rods here and then the rods into the back. But overall, I think it was totally worth the struggle. This pose is super cute, super cool. I love all the dynamics of it. It is just such a nice pose. I love this one. This one is definitely one of my favorites. I don't know, I still think the tongue sticking out one is gonna be my all-time favorite just because it's so cute. But this one is amazing. And again, this Nendoroid comes with like a lot of effect pieces and a lot of poses, which I think is super cool. And again, the base is unique. I really love that. And I got her for like such a good price, considering all this. I know she's older, but I'm still kind of shocked at how cheap I managed to get her. Let me know what you guys think down below. Alright, and then the last pose for today, it will be this one. It is super cute. So here we have her. I think that she's adorable in this pose, and if I get the Black Rock Shooter Nendoroid at any point, I'm definitely going to pose these two together like this. It is adorable. Alright guys, so that is everything for today's video. Let me know what you thought down below. Personally, I feel like I got such a good deal getting this Nendoroid for only 22 Canadian. Like, I know that she's older from 2010, but I do see plenty of older Nendoroids going for some insane prices still on AmiAmi Pre-owned, so I still consider myself very lucky. If you guys want to see more of me, please go check out my Instagram or my Twitter. I post probably the most on Instagram. I post a variety of content, lots of fashion, some anime stuff still. It's a little bit spread out on there. If you're not interested, that's fine. But if you're interested in seeing that kind of stuff, go check it out. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and have yourselves a wonderful day. Bye-bye.